So my Boxycharm was opened, I guess during shipping, and I'm so pissed off. And as you can see, Hank and Henry eyeliner was opened as well, so I cannot use it on myself. I'm using Wonder Beauty Illuminating Oil for my skin to give it a subtle glow. Then I'm gonna use the Lancome foundation, which I currently love. I will not show you my foundation routine since nothing for my face was in this box. But I will show you how I feel in my brows since there was a $1 billion brow pen inside the box, and this is the color Taupe. I'm not sure how it's gonna work for me because the payoff is not on the level which I got used to for my brows, but we'll see. So I've been trying for at least 5 minutes to fill in my brows and I couldn't do it, so I'm just taking the things that I love. So here is the Ka-Brow Brow Pomade by Benefit Cosmetics, which I use all the time and it stays throughout the day, which I absolutely love. And translucent 24-hour brow gel by Benefit Cosmetics is a must-have to keep your brows in place. I also got a set of brushes in my box by MODA. I'm gonna be using Boss Babe Betty by Buxom Cosmetics. This palette is just amazing. The colors are great, the payoff is amazing, and the blendability is just wow. So these brushes by MODA are pretty decent. I really like how they do their job. Adding a little twist to my, I would say, natural look, I'm adding primary yellow Colorfix into my waterline by Danessa Myricks. Then I'm taking Cry Baby eyeliner by Colourpop Cosmetics, which is of a beautiful lavender color. I've never met anything like this in other brands. Lavender, orange, and yellow work perfectly together. adding some sparkly flakes onto my eyeliner. Better Than Sex Mascara by Too Faced was in one of the Boxycharm boxes that I got earlier. And here is the finished eye look. Also in the current box, I got Natural Face Palette by Too Faced, and it is amazing. The bronzers are of the perfect shades, the blushes are, one is lighter and one is darker, and the highlighters are just perfect. To add even more color, I decided to go with the purple lipstick because why not, guys? Let's make makeup fun and creative and colorful. And here is the finished look. But it's not all, so keep watching. I wore this makeup during almost the whole day, and it's time to remove it because I got one last product that I got in the box and I'm gonna use it. By the way, if you experience problems with removing your lashes, some eye makeup remover and Q-tip will help you a lot. So here it is, the last but not least product, Recovery Sleeping Mask by Dr. Brandt. I really like how it feels on my face, and I also liked a lot how my skin felt in the morning. Super hydrated, super nourished, just perfect. Thank you guys for stopping by and for watching my video. I'm going to sleep and see you all guys soon. Bye bye.